Welcome to this second training video on the Univox Loop Designer. In this section we're going to have a closer look at the properties section. First thing you want to do is to change the name of your project, and you can change this into anything that you like. I will name this Univox Loop 1. But you can change it into anything that you like. Note that when you change a value in any of these windows, you'll see a little red triangle. In order to make that triangle go away, you need to upload the new information to the server, and you do that by clicking on Save. You don't have to do it immediately. You can change all the values in this section before you click on Save, or you just change something and you click on Save. It's totally up to you. Second thing you want to do is to give your room a size, and note that this is the size of your room and not necessarily the size of your loop. So I'm gonna make this room, either you just enter the value, and it's done in X and Y coordinates. Just enter the value. So I'm gonna do this 20 meters by say 15.5 meters. Note that this is in meters, it's not imperial sizes, it's in meters, so metric sizes. And I will want to optimize this system for a standing audience. So you can either choose a sitting audience, a standing audience, or if the venue is going to be used by both standing and sitting people, you can optimize it for a height in between sitting and standing height. But for now I'm gonna go with standing. You need to choose your input signal. Mainly you'll find yourself working with speech. This is the normal. But if you are working with short announcements, let's say an airport or maybe a train station, you can have a lesser degree on your input signal. You can also choose music, but note that this is done rarely. It's only necessary if you have very complex music, very dynamic music, like rock music. If you're optimizing a loop system for, say, a church, which is fairly simple music, speech as an input signal is going to be sufficient for you. And I find myself mainly using speech as my input signal frequency. Then you want to choose what level of attenuation that you'll have in the type of venue you're working with. We have a number of presets. Reinforced concrete, which we have set at 4.5 dB attenuation. A metal system floor, which is 6 dB attenuation. A suspended ceiling. Note that these are not specifics. These are based on our experience, and so on. If you know your exact attenuation, instead of choosing one of the presets, you can override this. Let's say that you know that your actual attenuation is minus 3.8 dB, or the attenuation is 3.8 dB. What you want to do is type a minus and then enter 3.8 dB, and you're all done. Just click on Save and you're ready to proceed to the next part. I'll see you in a future video to do that.